क्लाउड्स इन योर हेड. अब काफी हैवी हो गया, काफी कुछ हो गया माइंड के बारे में, तो क्लाउड्स तो आ ही गए, मतलब कि नाउ वन वुड बी थिंकिंग कि ये क्या हो क्या रहा है, ये इतना ज्यादा हो रहा है, ये हो क्या रहा है. तो नाउ वी विल क्लियर द क्लाउड्स. यू ऑल रेडी? वी विल डू अ स्मॉल एक्टिविटी टू क्लियर द क्लाउड्स. ओके, इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल थिंग. ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज यू हैव टू जस्ट मेक योर पार्टनर्स. आपने, आप दोनों हो गए, आप दो हो गए, यू टू, आप ही कर लेना साथ में, आप दोनों हो गए, आप इधर आ जाओ, देन वी कैन डू इट. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज व्हेन आई से 1 2 3 you will do zzz. You will smile with the cheese zzz. And then when you are looking at your partner, you will say ting. Okay, are you all ready? It is just to lighten your mind. It is to take off whatever is scrambled up there. Okay, you can even do zzz, ting, z bolo, cheese bolo, whatever it is, but you look in front and you start making that sound, and when you look at the person, you say ting. Clear? We'll do it 3 times, right? Okay, so 1 2 3. Zzz, ting, zzz, ting. One more time. Zzz, ting. Now how are you feeling? Little lighter? Yeah. Okay. We'll make it even lighter. We'll take it a step higher. Step up kar दें. Now when I say 1, you will laugh once. You will say ha. I'll say 1, ha. 2, ha ha. 3, ha ha ha. 4, ha 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 ha. 5, ha 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 ha. 6, like that. You will keep on increasing till 10. Okay? Yeah. So here we don't need partners. Here we have to just do 1, and I'll just say the number, and you just do ha 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 ha. Okay? And let's see what happens when we reach 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 20. Now this is something you can do whenever you feel like. It is just to lighten up. You know, बहुत जब stress होए, so you can just do whenever you are there. Lunch time में कर लिया करो, and you will all enjoy, and you will all feel relaxed, and the stress will just flow down. Okay? Okay. Now we have the integration and action plan कि आपने करना क्या है. जितना टाइम लगाया आपके साथ, तो आपने अब करना क्या है. Now this is something that you have to understand. That mind, what I've been talking about, is the energy field, right? Your space is energy amplifier, because what I've explained कि आपकी space में lighting etc, sound वगैरह कैसा है, it can either amplify the energy or it can disperse the energy. Like dark room कर लो, dark light कर लो, so it will start dispersing the energy. And your belief is the energy program, because when you start believing in yourself, you program for the good energy which is around you. And the fundamental principle, don't forget, energy follows thought. Yeah, this is proved not once but time and time again. So you also start believing in it कि आपकी जो thinking है, आप वो ही manifest करोगे, आप वो ही experience करोगे. Nothing different from that. Now this is your daily alignment ritual, which is quantum, vastu and persuasion. It is putting all 3 together. In the morning you can face east, visualize your goal and speak, make an affirmation of what you want. Just let's say you say, I am the best, I am looking good, I am very happy today, I am very content, I am fulfilled. Whatever is your affirmation, whatever is the statement you want, and it can change. You see, you can repeat something for a week, 10 days, that you can change, because your mindset changes, your thought pattern changes. So these are statements which can also change, but they are basically motivators to uplift your energy. Midday 3-minute space clearing. अब आपकी space clearing, I have told you, space, we are not talking about your mental space. आप अपनी फिजिकल स्पेस भी देख लो कि फाइल्स कहीं गलत तो नहीं आ गई, ज़्यादा accumulate तो नहीं हो रहा, क्लटर तो नहीं हो रहा, what is really happening around you, and your mind also. And mind, like I said, lunch time में you can do this. You can all laugh together. It'll clear the mental space. Correct? It's very simple. And evening, you see, journal and reframe limiting beliefs is, you must write down कि what blocked you during the day, where you felt कि भाई I got stuck. वो आप जब तक लिखोगे नहीं, how would you know? So you have to make a journal, keep a notebook, and keep writing every day where you felt that you were blocked during the day. Whatever activity you were doing, whether it was a discussion, whether it was a meeting, whether it was something that you were assigned to do, but where did you feel that you got blocked, right? Now that block is in your mind because you felt कि हाँ, this is where I got stuck. तो उसको लिखो. You must write it down, because when you read that, you would know कि ये how relevant or irrelevant that was. If it was relevant, you have to find a solution. वो आपको रात को सोते टाइम आ जाएगा. But if it was irrelevant, then just strike it off in nonsense. Why am I just focusing and wasting my energy on this? Because if it is irrelevant and you keep thinking about it, then just remember energy follows thought. तो आप क्या करी जा रहे हो? आप irrelevant energy को accumulate करी जा रहे हो, तो उसको निकाल ही दो. Don't let it accumulate. Okay, design your personal power space. Create your own small Vastu-based mental lab at office, and it is even at your home. अब कहाँ पे बनाओगे? You see what is happening here. Today in very large companies they have a room which we call the meditation room. So whenever anyone, or some people even call it rejuvenation room. So it's a small room where they have nice music. They have what do you call relaxing chair. कईयों ने massage chairs रखी हुई हैं. So when a person is very stressed, so they say you will go there, sit for 5 minutes and release your energy and then come back. But it's not possible everywhere. All companies can't afford. They don't have that much of space to create a lab, whether at home or because the same restrictions can come at home. So this space you can create in your mind. Whenever you feel that you are stressed, all you have to do is just close your eyes and do a backward count, 10 to 1. Okay? ये करना चाहोगे? I can create this mental space for you. Which Jose Silva, the first person who was the pioneer in mind control, he designed this exercise and he called it the lab. He used to say that whenever you have anything, any activity to do and you need a place where you can go and sit and you're not finding a physical space. So wherever you are sitting, just close your eyes and you go to your lab and do your mental work there. Right? It is similar to when you have work, you come to office, you go to your workstation, you go to your cabin. So there's a space assigned for you to work. So when you have to do mental work, then you must have a space to go where you have to do the work. And if the physical space is not available, then we create a lab, and I'll just tell you how to do it. You can do it at home. You don't have to do it now. You just do a backward count. Close your eyes and do a backward count, 10 to 1. So when you are at 1, you will feel relaxed. This is the basic reason why they say 10 to 1, because it's the reverse count slows down the mind. That is the principle behind it. Once you are relaxed, then you just see you are walking towards a room through a path which is very well lit, and now you have entered a room. अब इस रूम को, this is now your lab, this room is your lab. तो इसको आपने कैसे डेकोरेट करना है, your choice. You want this to be on a beach, so be it. You want this to be on the hill, so be it. You just want this to have a very nice view, so be it. आपने इसको गार्डन में रखना है, आपने इसको पार्क में रखना है, आपने इसको फील्ड्स में रखना है, आपने जहां भी रखना है, it is your mental lab. So you choose an area where you feel the best, the most comfortable. So count down, you are relaxed, your mind is slow, you just walk down and you open the door to your lab, and now you are sitting in your lab. Whatever mental activity you want to do and you do it in this room, you will feel empowered. Because इस room की, over the years, there have been various derivations, and it has really evolved from a lab to a room where you find angels, etc., etc. मतलब अब तो there is anything and everything that one says कि you can do in this room. But the fundamental from where it originated was from Jose Silva, and I was fortunate enough to having met him when the only time he came to Delhi was, I think, in 94 or 95, and he conducted a seminar. It was called Jose Mind Control, and I attended that. He was like a person of another level. I mean, there are many now motivators, etc., who we hear about, but he was the one who was asked to work with NASA because of what abilities that he made people develop by his exercises. NASA was very impressed with him. So they did a lot of collaborative work. Now people, of course, there are many who are doing, but in different fields, etc. But what I can remember, he was the first one to do it, Jose Silva. So ये lab जो हमने यहाँ कह रहे हैं कि you create, this is how he created the lab. That you go down, go to your lab, and whatever issue you want to address, you address it over there. If you have a problem, you want an answer, go to your lab and say, what is the answer? And let's be open to receiving the answer, right? We start with this. Then as we start getting answers, then we will step it up. अब lab को modern कैसे करना है, ultra modern कैसे करना है, high tech कैसे करना है, AI की level पे कैसे लेके जाना है, right? So we will go through those stages over a period of time. But first you must create your lab and you must start doing this. And then when your lab is controlled by AI, तो you can't even imagine आपका mind कैसे काम करेगा फिर तो. लग रहा है? Okay? So you create this lab both at home and office. So there is no separate place. It's the same lab where you can go down to and you can do your work. Okay, now you write your limitless mind statement. Now what is this statement going to be? what will be your statement that your mind is limitless? I know कि अभी थोड़े आप under pressure हो, तो you don't have to write it now. इसको घर जाके just spend 5 minutes, think कि क्या है. I am limitless is one thing. My mind is entangled with the spiritual DNA is another. जो आपको शुरू से अभी तक बताया, you can pick up anything out of that and then make your statement. What is your limitless statement? Because you are limitless. But you must believe, and you will only believe when you write it down. Okay? So when you write your statement, वो आज आप लिख लेना. कल सवेरे मेरे को you give them to Srivanth, and tomorrow then he will WhatsApp to me. I want all the statements of each one of you. What is your limitless statement? The reason why anything, it's you. अब आपको वही ख्याल आएगा जो आपके लिए important है. If career is important, your career statement. If health is important, health. If relationships.
So is it going to be something like I will become a CEO of a Fortune 500 company by 2025, 2030? ऐसे कुछ इस तरह से होना चाहिए. ये कैसा होना चाहिए?
Your mind is limitless. Now, when you are making a statement, keeping that in mind, that it is a limitless mind, you write your statement.
So is it going to be like your vision? Is it vision? Same as vision?
Yeah, you can say
Or mission?
mission, vision, whatever you might want to call
Top of
it.
the mind जो statement आ रहा है वो लिखो.
Exactly.
जो आप करना चाहते हो.
जो आप करना चाहते हैं. Something that makes you feel that you are limitless. Na? So for each one, there would be a different set of priorities. आपकी जो भी priority है, you have to put that on top and then write the statement accordingly.
और ये चैट जीपीटी से पूछ के नहीं लिखना है. ये अपना लिखना है.
Chat GPT आपको आपके बारे में नहीं बता सकता because it can't read your mind. Well, you can ask what is a good statement, वो आ जाएगी, but that doesn't serve the purpose. Right? I don't want that. I want something which is very original, which is really coming from you. Authentic. क्योंकि वो जब आ जाएगी ना तो फिर उसको सेकंड गियर में हम डालेंगे. हाँ, आप बेशक अभी लिख दो, आप जब भेजोगे देन आई टेल यू कि इनसे नेक्स्ट क्या कराना है. ओके, देन वी विल गो टू स्टेप 2. यू सी, एंड वंस दैट स्टेटमेंट यू राइट as to what you want and you accept that you are limitless, then once the level of awareness goes up, what it says now, you become aware of your power, you cannot go back. You cannot go back because you become aware. Right now where you are is what your awareness is. So our limit is our awareness. We are not aware of anything beyond that. But when you create your lab and you go down, your awareness increases. Awareness, and once that happens, then the awareness can't come below that because it's already created. Correct? So once you make that statement and once you become aware, then there is no coming back. Then from there we can only go higher and higher. Okay? So that is all for the day. I hope you've enjoyed and you could digest whatever has been said or explained. If you have any queries or which come up later, just feel free to revert. Right? And I would like to thank you all for joining. We are going to stay connected. This is something which is here, but with you guys I am connected. Now I'd like each one of you to please stand up and let's give a hand for all the participants. You were all very good. Thank you. Thank you very much.